Welcome, content creators. Today we are diving into the vital world of audio quality and why it matters for your content. Let's explore affordable audio options that won't empty your wallet but will significantly enhance your projects. First up, microphones. Whether you're looking for a dynamic mic or a condenser mic, I'll share my top picks. You may have heard about audio interfaces. Let's break down what they are and why they can enhance your recordings. Monitoring your audio is key. Here are some budget-friendly headphones that do the job well. Don't forget pop filters and windscreens. They can greatly improve sound quality without costing a fortune. Let's talk about your recording environment. Here are simple tips to improve sound quality on a budget. Now that you've recorded, it's time to edit. I'll highlight some free and affordable software you can use. Testing and troubleshooting are crucial. I'll guide you through some quick steps to ensure everything runs smoothly. Now you have the knowledge and tools to create great audio on a budget. Don't be afraid to experiment.